Hi, I'm Greg Nichols. I've been president at Salina Tech since 2016. In that time, we've made great strides to improve our campus and help the students across our region. Now we're doing something extraordinary, something that you can help make possible through your commitment. We're going to build a new facility to house our industrial maintenance and automation program. The facility and the new program will be transformational for Salina Tech and the region we serve. You can be an essential part of that success. With your help, Salina Tech students can train for high-demand, well-paying careers and prepare graduates for employment, personal growth, and lifelong learning. Our vision is to be the college of choice for the region, where students are equipped to succeed in the dynamic world of business and industry. Our campaign goal is to raise $6 million to build and equip a 15,000 square foot building. The new building will house classrooms, shop areas, instructor offices, and an 80-seat multi-use classroom for larger classes, corporate training, and community events. This campaign will expand our capacity to serve more students. After several years of record-setting enrollments, we surpassed 1,000 students enrolled for the first time. Our current facilities are full. Salina Tech is getting closer to breaking ground. 80% of our $6 million goal has already come through individual donations, grants, foundations, and state and federal funds, and a challenge donation. Your gift will help us reach our goal. The worlds of higher education and manufacturing are changing rapidly, and we must move forward to position ourselves for the future. This new facility will position Salina Tech to achieve more for our students and their future employers in North Central Kansas and across the state. You can give online at salinatech.edu. Go to Giving and then drop down to Donate Today. Or you can mail your gift to Salina Tech Educational Foundation, 2562 Centennial Road, Salina, Kansas, 67401. Note that your donation goes to industrial maintenance and automation. Thank you.